Welcome back to the farm, everyone. Today is a massive day for us. If you have been following our channel, you know we've been waiting eagerly for this specific sow to farrow. She has just finished giving birth to a massive litter, and as any pig farmer knows, the first few hours of a piglet's life are the most critical. Managing a large litter requires quick hands, a calm environment, and a very specific care routine to guarantee high survival rates. When a sow gives birth to a large number of babies, she is putting an immense amount of strain on her body. Our job as caretakers is to step in and assist where necessary, without causing extra stress to the mother. Right now, she is doing an incredible job, but with so many hungry mouths on the way, every single second counts. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I clear their airways, how I secure their first critical meal, and the precise high-energy diet I feed our mothers to keep them healthy and bursting with milk. If you are looking to improve your piglet survival rates or just love homesteading, make sure to subscribe and settle in.
As soon as a piglet drops, the clock starts ticking. Newborn piglets are born with a very thin layer of hair and almost zero body fat. This means they cannot regulate their own body temperature and can chill to death very quickly, especially in a drafty pen. Watch closely here as I pick up this newborn. The very first tool I use is a clean, dry cloth. My primary focus is the face. I use the towel to clear away the mucus and fetal membranes from the nostrils and the mouth. If you don't clear this away immediately, the piglet can inhale the fluid into its lungs instantly. After a good rub, they go straight under the warmth of the infrared heat lamp, which we keep set at around 32 degrees Celsius.
But caring for the piglets is only half the battle. To keep a huge litter thriving, we have to look after the factory, and that is the mother. A lactating sow with a dozen or more piglets is under an extreme metabolic deficit. She is pumping out liters of milk a day, and if we do not feed her correctly, she will literally drain her own body reserves, lose weight rapidly, and become sickly. To make her stay healthy and produce a mountain of milk, we use a specialized, high-protein lactation ration. We look for a crude protein content of at least 17 to 18%. We formulation include high-quality yellow maize for pure energy, soybean meal for that vital protein, and rice bran for healthy fats. Crucially, we top-dress her feed with extra calcium and phosphorus. Milk production pulls a massive amount of calcium straight out of the sow's bones. If she runs low, she can suffer from lactation paralysis, where her back legs give out completely. We also mix in a tablespoon of vegetable oil or animal fat into her daily ration. This boosts the caloric density of the feed and directly increases the fat content of her milk, making her piglets grow twice as fast. Finally, we provide unlimited, fresh, clean water. A sow needs to drink up to 30 to 40 liters of water a day just to generate enough milk for a litter of this size. No water means no milk, no matter how much feed you give her. Looking at the pen right now, the hard work is paying off. The mother is calm, well-fed, and hydrated, and every single piglet has a full belly and is sleeping warmly under the lamp. Over the next few weeks, we will be monitoring this feed intake closely, ramping up her food daily as the piglets grow bigger and demand more milk. Farming isn't always easy, and farrowing days are long and exhausting. But when you step back and see a healthy, thriving litter like this one, every single minute of effort is completely worth it. If you want to track the growth of these little guys and see our upcoming weight checks, make sure to hit that like button. Drop a comment below telling me how many piglets you think are in this litter. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical farming content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next chore day.